So if you want to redeem an Amazon gift card, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is go to Amazon, and you want to make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're signed into the correct account, you want to hover over account and lists, and you want to go ahead and select your account. Once you're on this page, you should be greeted with loads of account options, and from here you want to go ahead and select gift cards and top up. This is going to be an overview screen of all of your gift card top ups and your current balance. Now if you want to go ahead and top up your account, you want to go ahead and select top up your account. However, if you've already got a gift card and you want to redeem it, you want to go ahead and click on this button here. From here you want to enter in the code in this box here, and it doesn't matter whether you put the dashes or not, it will still work. Once you've entered in your code, you want to go ahead and select apply to your balance, and the gift card balance will be applied immediately. If you want to use a gift card to pay for something, you can do this on the checkout page where you go to select your payment method. And that is all you need to do to redeem a gift card on Amazon. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating a coffee with the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.